Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
What are the methods used in attaining Krishna consciousness? How does one get to?
Yeah, by Krishna consciousness, you achieve the goal of life. In the present condition, we are accepting one body and we are dying after a few days. Then accept another body. And that body is according to your activity. There are 8,400,000 different types of body. You can get any one of them. You will have to accept one body. That is called transmigration of the soul. So, if one is under this consciousness that I am eternal, why I am changing body? How to solve it? That is intelligence. And not to work like cats and dogs and die. That is not intelligence. One who makes solution of this problem is intelligent. So, therefore this Krishna consciousness movement is the ultimate solution of all problems of life.
What transformations does one undergo on the path to Krishna consciousness?
No transformation. The consciousness is there. It is now filled with all rubbish things. You have to cleanse this and then Krishna consciousness. Just like water. Water is by nature clear, transparent. But when it is filled up with rubbish things, it is muddy. You cannot see very clearly. But if you filter it, all muddy things, dirty things, then again it comes to the original position, clear, transparent water.
Does one function better in society as a result of affiliation with Krishna consciousness?
Does one function in society better after being Krishna conscious?
What is the meaning?
Is he a better citizen? Is he a better citizen?
And also sociologically or can he work better in the community?
That you can see practically. They are not drunkards. They are not meat eaters. From physiological point of view, they are very clean. They will never be attacked with so many diseases. Then they do not eat meat, means that is most sinful, to kill others for the satisfaction of the tongue. God has given to the human society so many things to eat, nice fruits, nice flowers, nice grains, first class milk, and from milk you can prepare hundreds of nutritious food. But they do not know the art. They are maintaining big slaughterhouse and eating meat. No discrimination. That means they are not even civilized. When man is not civilized, he kills one animal and eats, because he does not know how to grow food. Just like we have got one farm land in New Vrindavan. So we are preparing so first class preparation from milk. The laborers, they come, they are astonished that from milk such nice preparation can be done. Hundreds. So that means they are not even civilized. How to prepare nutritious food from milk? Milk, accepting that cow flesh and blood is very nutritious, that we also admit. But a civilized man utilizes the blood and meat in a different way. The milk is nothing but blood, but it is transformed into milk. And again from milk you make so many things. You make sugar, you make curd, you make ghee, so many things. And combination of this milk product with grains, with fruits and vegetables, you make similar hundreds of preparations. So this is civilized life. Not that directly kill one animal and eat. That is uncivilized life. You take the accepting that cow's flesh and blood is very nutritious. You take it in a civilized way. Why you should kill the innocent animal? Is simply eating grass given by God and supplying milk. And from milk you can live. And the gratefulness is that cut his throat. Is that civilization? What do you say?
Is that civilization?
No, I agree with you 100%. I want you to say these things, though, instead of me. I'm asking you questions so that hopefully that not by me describing anything. Just a short
these
question.
things are uncivilized way of life, and what they will understand God.
I'm asking these questions for everyone that feel that is not understanding.
To understand
Krishna consciousness.
God means one must be first-class civilized. Just like university is meant for first-class student. Similarly, God consciousness means meant for the first-class human being.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,